Welcome to Decoded. JavaScript is single-threaded, but it can handle many things at once. How? Let's explore the event loop. JavaScript runs in a single thread, meaning only one operation is processed at a time. If you have a long-running synchronous operation, like a loop, it will block the main thread. JavaScript handles async tasks using the event loop. While one task is executing, other tasks, like events or network requests, are queued up in the callback queue. The event loop allows the browser to stay responsive by handling events, like clicks or timer callbacks, even while JavaScript is running. Example of asynchronous code. JavaScript has two types of queues. Microtasks, like promises, are executed before macro tasks, like set timeout. The event loop executes microtasks after the current script, before moving to the next macro task. This prioritization helps ensure promises are resolved as soon as possible. This mechanism ensures that the browser can handle UI updates and user input events while running complex tasks. The event loop is what makes JavaScript feel fast and responsive. It's a key to understanding async behavior. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more JavaScript facts.